How to fix Spotify keeps pausing your music on your iPhone. So if you're trying to listen to a song and it keeps stopping and starting, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is click on Home in the bottom left-hand side of the app. Click on your profile icon in the top left and click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Playback. Make sure gapless playback is turned on and enabled. You can then scroll down and make sure autoplay similar content is also turned on. We're then going to come back over to the previous window, click on data saving and offline, make sure data saver is turned off like you see here, and then you'll need to scroll down to storage and click on the clear button next to clear cache and click on clear. Once you've done this, you can check to see if it's now working. If you're still having an issue, you'll need to go and open up the settings on your phone, scroll down and click on battery, and then scroll down and make sure low power mode is turned off and disabled. You can then come back over to the previous window, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and then scroll down until you see Spotify in this list. Once you've found Spotify, go and select it, click on offload app, and then press offload. Now don't worry, as this won't delete any of your Spotify data. Once it's finished, you'll just need to press reinstall app. You can then go and open back up Spotify on your iPhone, and that should have now fixed the playback issue.